Hey guys, it's Danica here. Today we're going to do another cruelty-free unboxing by the company called Petit Vour. So unfortunately I got the December box late. I don't know why. I think it's just because I live in Canada, so it takes a really long time for them to ship it to my place. So I'm sorry that these are always just coming out kind of late for you guys. But anyways, this is the December 2018 box, the last box of 2018. It's here. Let's get into it. What's up? Okay, so the first thing, which is valued at $18, is this concealer, Hand by Hand Skin Cosmetics. I am super pumped. I have never actually used a cruelty-free concealer, so long wearing and super pigmented. This creamy concealer contains green tea extract to brighten and lift for that fresh and woke look. I'm gonna try it out for you guys and let you know what I think. Castor oil, that's the first ingredient, which is awesome because it's going to be really moisturizing. It's not going to be cakey and like flaky. Coconut oil, ooh damn, jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, shea butter, green tea oil, safflower oil, argan oil. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay. I actually don't ever use concealer under my under eyes because it really like gets into the fine lines and it makes me look old. So I just always skip that step, but maybe this one won't do that. Like, who knows, right? Okay, so it's like a lip gloss type of applicator. Oh, you guys see that? Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. I really gotta blend this in really good. Okay. It actually has a smell to it. I can't explain how it smells. It just smells like, I don't know. It's not unscented, just so you guys know. This is like really blending really good. I am actually surprised. So yeah, you can obviously see like it's really light for my skin tone. It's a little bit too light, but it's really not caking at all, which is amazing because every time I use concealers, they cake and they flake. Okay. Wow. Let me show you guys. I'm actually going to set it with a powder that's more closer to my skin tone. Wow, you know what? This is a really good concealer. It's very moisturizing and non-drying, non-caking, non-flaking, which is great because that's the issue that I had with a lot of under-eye concealers. So, yes. Honestly, yes. I love it. Okay, next is this True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish. Okay, this coffee and moringa oil based scrub tightens and exfoliates dry skin. Rosemary, peppermint, and tea tree essential oils invigorate the senses. This is gonna burn, baby. Like, you are really gonna feel invigorated. All of these things, rosemary, peppermint, and tea tree, are very like stimulating. They're going to stimulate a lot of blood flow in the body, and because it has coffee, it's going to reduce the look of cellulite on your body. So if you're wanting to just get snatched and just tight, you know, get all that water retention out before a night out, maybe if you're wearing booty shorts or something, this is really great for that. This type of a body polish with coffee in it. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like mint and coffee. Oh, it smells good. You get a pretty decent size sample size, and you get, it's $8.50 the value on it. Okay, next up, the Gold Faden MD Brightening Elixir. This antioxidant-rich brightening serum works against photoaging and free radical damage while leaving skin feeling hydrated and looking radiant. So this is a brightening serum to use as part of your skincare regime. I'm actually going to look up the ingredients for you guys just to see what they're using as brightening agents. There is ferulic acid. It's like a exfoliant. It exfoliates your face. It's kind of like glycolic acid, but weaker. And then it has hyaluronic acid. Awesome. Great moisturizer. Niacinamide. Ooh. I'm liking the ingredients in this. Wow, it has very simple ingredients. That's like it. It literally has like 8 ingredients, which is amazing. So this is a little 7mm thing, and I think that it would be effective for brightening the skin if you used it long enough, because it does have really great ingredients in it. And last is, oh, I love this company. I love Andalou Naturals. I used their shampoo and I just loved it. So this is 1,000 Roses Soothing Body Lotion, which is valued at $2. You get 15 millimeters, which is a really decent like travel size. It says this ultimate skin food blends emollient, rosehip, and argan oils with shea and cocoa butters to nourish, smooth, and soften the appearance of dry skin. I've never let down my Andalou Naturals. Okay, I just tried it. Oh my god, it smells like roses. Oh, I love that smell. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, oh, okay, wow. Wow, it's really smooth and really soft. It makes your skin so soft. It's like, you know that like glycerin hand lotion they sell at like Walmart that you if you've ever used it, I don't know if you guys use it, but that's how it is. It like, oh wow. So that is the beauty box for the month of December. All of these products are cruelty-free, vegan, and sustainably made, so you can feel just fantastic about being beautiful. And if you guys enjoy cruelty-free unboxings, please subscribe to my channel. I will have lots of those to come. Thanks for watching. Bye!